Every teacher at Writers at Work loves a good ending. I remember having a student who returned to Singapore from China in primary 5. At that time, he was facing struggles with the language. We started building on his thematic vocabulary and working on the basics of writing. Next, we moved on to teach him to plan stories independently using our activity-based learning methods. Many students like him attend classes with us once a week. Most often, they end up staying with us until they graduate from schools.
A class size of 10 creates an optimal learning environment. This low student-teacher ratio allows teachers to give personalized attention to each student. Focusing and maximizing their strengths, teachers undergo an intensive 3-month orientation before they are officially inducted into Writers at Work. The training comprises of 3 major components. They are lesson observations, curriculum mastery, and composition grading.
To complete the orientation, new teachers take a summative assessment to ensure that they have mastered the curriculum. Well, hello everyone, thank you for watching. If you'd like to know how our team of teachers here help our students to score an A-star for your PSLE English competition, do visit our website at writersatwork.com.sg and check out our Facebook too. I hope to see you at WOW soon. Bye!